You've probably heard that people are making thousands of dollars every single day by mining Bitcoin. But did you know that you could be doing this too on your phone? That's right, and today I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can do this in just 3 simple steps. So let's jump right into the video. So this app is on the App Store and the Google Play Store. It's just called Bitcoin Mining. And look for this app right here. It says Bitcoin Mining, Cloud Mining. It has this little B right here. Just like so, we're gonna get this app. As you can see, we can go ahead and log in with Apple, or if you're on the Google Play Store, then just log in with Google. So there we go, I just went ahead and did that. Now we can claim 3.5 gigahashes of free mining power. So now you should see that we're making some free Bitcoin every single second, which is pretty awesome. Let's head to profile down here and then click on enter the invitation code and put in this code right here. KPYTUM. So now you should see that you're getting a large boost in your Bitcoin mining earnings and you'll be getting money a lot faster. But we can go ahead and boost that by watching a couple of ads. So you can see 5.6 gigahashes. We're gonna go ahead and claim that. So boom, just finished watching that ad. And there we go, you can see we're mining a lot quicker now. And you can do this 35 times to get a ton of passive Bitcoin. So once you finally mined enough and you're like, all right, that's it, we're good. We can go ahead and withdraw right here. We're gonna choose the Lightning Network. The reason that we want to use the Lightning Network is because it has the least fees possible. That means that we're getting more money than we would if we were just cashing it out to the regular network. So for this, I'm gonna be using my ZBG wallet. And for those of you who don't have one, you guys can check out the video, link up at the top right. There we go, let's create the invoice, copy, and now we can withdraw. Now keep in mind, what's really important is that you need to have 20 sats before you can withdraw. 20 Satoshis is worth about 2 cents in Bitcoin right now. So yeah, anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and slap the bell. Don't miss out on any of those new videos. But anyway, you guys, I will be seeing you all next time.